Do you want to ride in Daddy's new Tesla? Say new Tesla. Tesla. I love you. Love you. Bye-bye. I'm breathing in. Man, this is a little bit bittersweet.
What's up? And welcome to a brand new day. My name is Adam, as always, and I am stoked. Going to Calgary, picking up that brand new Model X, baby. After only 15 months, I'm getting rid of the Model S and moving into a Model X. You know, get into that more family 7-seater vehicle. I'm hoping Christina, you know, a couple more kids maybe. I don't know. Man, like, I'm pretty stoked. It's a little bit sad getting rid of this car. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first true love. Let's get after it.
How sick is this place?
All right, roll the montage. Out when we were inside there a little bit, like I'm not gonna lie, that was a little freaky. But something else that's a little freaky. We're you know, we're cutting it pretty close here to getting into a supercharger. Like that's I don't know. It says stay below 100. I've never in my life stayed below 100, so that's not gonna happen. We're definitely cutting it close. I think just gonna put the autopilot on and I don't know. Climate's off. No heated seats. 1%. See, this is what pisses me off though, because it says 58 kilometers to get there. My range says 72 kilometers down here. So, well, what's 1% of 460 kilometers? My range on here is 460. Oh no, 20 kilometers less. Is that 1%? Car's driving itself, so I can text and drive legally, right? So if we go 460 times 0.01, it's 4 kilometers. So yeah, that's like, I don't know. Come on, Tesla, don't baby me.
Don't lead us astray, Tesla.
Charging needed to reach destination. Yo, this is escalated now. Oh, I don't know. I don't like it. It says 0% now. Ah! Well, we are successfully driving like ninnies in the right lane. It still says 0%. Getting passed by absolutely everybody. Oh, this is ugly. We might have a saving grace here. Plug share app. There's a petrol can. Rossfield. Adrian's Model 3. Glitches, got a few kilometers, and moved on to the supercharger at Cross Iron. That's exactly what I gotta do. Okay, this is good. This is a Tesla charger. Not a supercharger, but like the same one I have in my house. I think we gotta go to Days Inn and Suites. I want you to know that Days Inn and Suites, if for some unknown reason I'm ever staying in Airdrie, I'm staying at Days Inn and Suites with the Tesla charger. We're doing it though, I can't risk it. We're getting rid of this car in like an hour. How are we gonna do that? Dropping kilometers here, because we started off with 12 kilometers left, and now we're down to 7. Oh. Like, we could probably make it, but boy would I be sad if it died. Let's see what this says to get there. Navigate to Days Inn and Suites in Airdrie. This says 2%. Ooh. So that's good. I wonder if we could go faster too. Probably. Let's try it. Just a little faster. We'll go like 120. Woo! 6 kilometers. Oh.
That's a win.
That is a huge win. Oh my goodness. That was... Like, we wouldn't have made it. There's no chance. No chance we would have made it if we didn't try. So thank you, Days Inn. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Days Inn.
So, zipped across Iron. Both Ryan and I are freaking starving. Okay.
I think anybody loops those nicely.
It's perfect.
Adam Obi does.
Hey!
Look at that, like a brand new vehicle here.
Okay guys, we're just pulling in now. The financing is approved, but the criteria that they had, that they needed to approve the loan, wasn't reviewed, and now the banks that lending it is closed, so they can't review it today because it's Sunday. We've known about it for a little while, and I was like, so, like, how is this my problem? Cash, then I'll pay in cash. And she's like, well, I'm not sure we can do that, blah, blah, blah. Like, could you come back tomorrow? And I was like, yeah, sure, fly me and my buddy home, and then you can fly us back tomorrow, and that would be fine. How disorganized is that? It looks like a little kid in a candy store. Gotta find my car.
Yeah, you'll see it, but you won't be able to drive it.
Yeah, what the f—
Oh!
There it is. Look at that beautiful thing.
Oh.
So that can't be mine. But this is what mine looks like.
Oh, there it is. It's gotta be.
Oh yeah.
It's not a P.
I have nothing but doubts right now. Like, you know that? You know that?
Oh.
I'm going crazy.
They're gonna let us take it. And if not, I'm gonna put up a real stink.
What would a stink look like, Ryan? Oh yeah, that'll get him.
Can you see it in here?
In the back?
It might
Black
be.
wheels?
There's black wheels.
That's mine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I saw the P. I didn't actually see the P, but I know it's there. It's there. That's fine. I need a coffee. Done. We're good. We did it. Freaking, let's get that Model X, baby. Let's get it. Do I have a unibrow?
No, you're good.
Oh, nice. Yo, Tesla, what's good? 12:30 appointment, currently 1:45. Let's get amongst it, guys.
On the 3, I lost it.
Yeah. Big action. Getting it all shiny for your boy here, yeah. Do you want to drive?
Yeah, you can.
Because we're going to get home in 20 minutes. There's not enough time for you to drive. I am ecstatic with this car right now. It is the honeymoon phase with Tesla all over again. And I don't, like, I'm feeling a little bit emotional right now because, like, I've been waiting here for about 3.5 hours. You're not gonna get it, you're gonna get it, and then there's crap wrong with it, and then now my registration's wrong, and it's like, damn! You know, 5 years ago, people was calling me crazy. They thought I was a drug dealer. They thought I was scamming people with MLM. And I told them, buy Bitcoin. You know, when it was literally February 2014, my company, we put the first Bitcoin ATM in Alberta. That was 4.5 years ago. And here we are today, sitting in a brand new Tesla, my second brand new Tesla. And it's not about the money, it's not about the cars, it's about hard work and that feeling of pride that gets you from that you get from that hard work. I don't know, man.
Yeah, boy.
You just, when you treat yourself after some hard work and you put in the long hours It's feels good, man.
Worth it.
Feels good.